With the mixture of clouds out there now, as we are seeing some of those darker clouds enter into the area, and not as much blue sky being found compared to this morning. Yes, we do have that weak disturbance, weak cold front, if you will, crossing the area that we are going to now give us more clouds throughout the rest of the afternoon. Now, the other thing too, those clouds are going to be short-lived, and we're going to have clearer skies later tonight, and with that, temperatures will drop quite a bit, and that's why we have a freeze watch in effect for Garrett County and also western Grant County in West Virginia for tonight going into Wednesday morning, as along those ridge tops temperatures could drop to that freezing mark. And of course, this time of year we have that sensitive vegetation out there, and there you go, a cooler pocket of air, no doubt, across the Laurel Highlands, getting back into western Maryland. The rest of the viewing area, though, with the sunshine that we have gotten through the morning, has warmed us up pretty nicely into those upper 50s, lower and even middle 60s. Charlestown, Germantown hitting that 66-degree mark. But that's all the warmer we really should be getting now, as we are seeing those west to northwest winds pick up at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. That will start to usher in the cooler air, and of course then you factor in the clouds and even some spotty shower activity. That's what's going to be keeping us a little bit cooler. And there it is. Yes, those clouds are very, very quickly overspreading the area, pushing all the way down toward the DC metro here. So just expect a much cloudier rest of the day here as we continue along. And yes, spotty showers, they'll be most possible into southern PA, most of Maryland and the eastern panhandle, down into northern Virginia. You're far enough to the south, probably not going to see any rainfall, but even those to the north, those shower chances will be minimal at best. Then we're going to have some sunny days Wednesday and Thursday, a little breezy out there again for a brief time tomorrow. And then it looks like starting on Friday, we're going to reintroduce daily slight rain chances. It's going to be dry more often than not, but it looks like we are going to have those showers on occasion starting on Friday, much like we will here today. Again, here we go. That shower activity will fire up and just cross the area in very, very small amounts as we head toward the 5 o'clock hour. Again, some of us will see rain, some of us likely will not. And as we go into the overnight, then the last of that disturbance gets out of here. We're going to have very clear skies going into your Wednesday morning, and we'll keep with that trend for the most part tomorrow. Just some occasional cloud cover popping up near the end of the day. But again, with high pressure close by, things are going to be on the drier side of things here these next couple of days. And here's the cause for our little bit of unsettled weather today. It's this low pressure center crossing the northeast. It has that weak cold front dropping down our direction, and that's what's giving us a few spotty showers as we're on the very southern fringe of that precipitation there. So notice temperatures again. It is not going to be much of a major change, but we'll warm up about a degree or two every single day. Finally, the 70s by this weekend, and there it is, those spotty shower chances straight through Sunday and continuing into next week.